boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Yes, we have a new song here from KAROL G and her new album. This talented Colombian artist, she does this with Bruno Mars and they perform Still. And yes, a little pause on that one. I have a new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. I need your help, guys. If you appreciate my work here on this channel, then go and check out my new channel. Link up here somewhere. It's a completely different way of learning songs. You have a full playthrough there, and you're gonna have chords shown on the screen. I'm not gonna talk at all. Just play for you guys, and you follow along and learn. That is the best way to thank me for the work I'm doing here. Subscribe to that channel. And now let's focus on Still. We have a great song here in front of us. Capo on third, absolute best scenario. With that, we have 6 chords, and yeah, it's a very kind of straightforward song to perform and play. So let's learn the chords first. We need to have the tools. So we're gonna start with C. That is played third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Easy transition to A minor. So you're gonna play open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. D minor, open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the G, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also have the E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the A, and that is played open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming pattern. It's a long one. We can chop it into 2 different parts. You don't have to do that later on. That's just for educational purposes to kind of learn it easier. So if you grab the first chord C, you're going to play like this for 1 full round. So the first half goes down, 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 up. So 1, 2, 3, and then down, up. And then it continues with the second part, which is down, up, down, 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 up. So it's down, up, down, 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 up. If you put that together, it will be down, 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 up. Down, up, down, 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 up. A couple of rounds in standard tempo. Let's start with the first verse. You have to play the C 1 round, A minor 1 string round, D minor 1 round, and G 1 round. You're going to play that for 2 times that chord progression. And on the third round, third and final round of the verse, you're going to play E minor 1, A minor 1, D minor 1, and G 1. So instead of playing the C A minor, you're going to play the E minor A minor. So that is how you play it. I'm going to play round number 2 and round number 3 for you, so you get each of one startings there. So it goes like this. Alright, so that's it. Now you have the same for 3 rounds, and the chorus that starts about 40 seconds in. I'd still sleep. That's where on the lyrics. So what you're going to play now, the first round is C 1, A minor 1, D minor 1, and G 1. The second round is played E minor 1, then A 1, then D minor 1, and G 1. And the third and final round is played C 1, A minor 1, D minor 1, and G 1 in the same way as the first round. So round number 1 and 3 is played in the same way. Just the second one that is different. So I'm going to play round number 1 and round number 2 for you, so you got both rounds there. So it goes like this. And that is the first round. You then have to go back to the second round of everything. It's just repetition. Play exactly the same way in the second verse. And it's exactly played in the second chorus as well as the one we just learned. So no changes there. Then comes the bridge part. Comes right after that second chorus. And you're going to play that C1, A minor 1, D minor 1, and G1 for 2 rounds. Then you go and play the final chorus, and again, just repetition, played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. And that's it, guys. Doesn't have to be harder than that. Great collab, Bruno and KAROL, still. Wow. Grab a guitar, have fun, and play tuned.